Okay, so this is what I've got set up. I'm going to put this battery in here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and calibrate it using this hygrometer, I don't know what they're called. Anyway, at the moment this is just clean water. I've got this one to as like a reference, so I'm going to put it in this one, gradually put more and more sugar in here so the gravity changes as if it was fermenting, and then I'm going to put it straight back into this one and see, just to make sure it's not doing anything. So this one should be the same angle every time because it's always clean water. This one should be changing, so I should end up with two values, which I'm going to scribble down on a bit of paper. So I'll have a reference angle and a gravity angle, and then an actual specific gravity. So what we'll do is I'll make sure that this, I think, might be wrong, but the gravity of clean water is 1. So you put a few little drops on here. Yeah. So I'll see if I can, maybe if you'll be able to see this. There we go. So you get a blue line that shows you the specific gravity, and that's set to 1.000 at the moment, or 0 bricks. I don't know what bricks are, but I'm interested in the SG. So that's at 0. So I'll put that as 1.000, which will be our starting point. Put this in here. This is the point where this leaks, ruins this, and it never works again. So that just rests on the bottom. That's annoying. What if I put a bit more water in? I'm going to put water all over my desk, aren't I? Is that floating? Oh, it's floating. Excellent. Oh, is this going to be first time? Let's see. Okay. Maybe we might be getting somewhere here. So that is floating at, according to that, 25. All right. So that will just put, yeah, I don't really see the point in that, but you know, it is what it is. Right, let's put some sugar in until we've got a significant change of gravity. I'm going to use a highly calibrated approach here. I'm just going to bung a load in and stir it up. That seems like a lot. Let's see what that does. Does this need to be hot to dissolve, or would you reckon this will dissolve? It might dissolve, I don't know. Who knows? Yeah, it's dissolving. Right, so we now have some sugary water. Let's see, let's get something to wipe that with. A little bit of tissue paper. And this now it's hard to tell. 1.006, I reckon. So it's gone up a little bit. We had an angle of 25 before. And we have an angle of, moving around. Stop moving around. $30. Cool. So that's kind of cool. You can see from the point at the beginning of the test where it comes down to about 25 degrees. So what I should see is, obviously this will go the other way. As it ferments, it'll use up the sugar. So I'll get an angle coming from about 65 degrees somewhere down to 25. And I'll be able to see from that, when it stops, that the fermentation's finished. Yeah, cool. Alright, so we have a working thing. I've got some data points of how it floats in sugary water, and it graphs it onto my little Grafana based database. It connects to the Wi-Fi. Let's make some beer.